Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add debit card to DraftKings. First, log into your account and at the top right corner, you will find a plus icon. Click on it and you will find this type of interface. From here, you just need to click on deposit. Make sure that you deposit with your debit card because you can only add a payment method to DraftKings by a deposit. You have to deposit an amount first to add a payment method to DraftKings. So we are going to deposit an amount through our debit card to add our debit card as a payment method to DraftKings. Then from here you just need to choose the amount that you want to deposit. Then from the payment type you will find at the first your debit card option. Simply click on debit card option here and then enter your card credentials like your debit card number, your expiration date and CVV number. Then you must need to check this box, remember card for future use. It will save your card info for the future use in your DraftKings account. Then after successfully entering your credentials, you just need to confirm your transaction to your DraftKings account. Then you will find a confirmation message on your screen. Simply remember the confirmation number from here and click on continue, and you will find that the amount has transferred to your DraftKings account and your card has saved on DraftKings account as a payment method. That's how you can add your debit card to your DraftKings account. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.